Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And this is Shoptalk. Today I am going to show you what is Excel. Excel is a program that also used for letters and documents. Type EXCEL Excel. Press enter. What you need to do, click on blank workbook, and this is the Excel. This is used for typing letters, numbers, names. Okay, I'm going to type one letter. Okay, word. Sorry, a text. I'm going to type my name is Raju. My name is Raju. Okay, and if you need to save this thing, then click on File tab and press and click Save As. Okay, and click on Browse and go to your File Explorer Documents folder, and then type Excel. Okay. And click on Save. Okay. And if you want to open that file, then go to your File Explorer, Windows File Explorer, go to Documents folder, and here is that Excel. So double click on it, and look, the folder has been opened. And if you want to change font, here is Calibri. Click on down arrow, and here are the font. Okay, many font has thousands of font. You can select anything. I am going to select Franklin Gothic Demi. Okay, and now my font has been changed. And if you want to back the font, then click C and go to your Calibri font. And here are bodies. Click on that. Now my font has been restored. If you want to change the text color, then click on A. Here is A, and here the text box will appear. Here will show font color. Click on down arrow and click any color. Look. My text color has been changed. And if you want to paste this thing, then what you need to do, select this text. Click left click and move your cursor. control and move your cursor. Sorry, guys. Select this. My name is Raju. Text. And click on copy. Copy this and click on the writing area, text area, and click on paste. Look, here is pasted, and I'm going to show you what is cut in this. Select this text. Select this text. I am going to select a part of the text. I have selected everything and click on cut. It is cut and go to your document area and click paste. Look, here is that letter come there in this way. And if you want to remove this, then click on clear all. Look, the text has been cleared. Okay? And if you want to highlight anything, sorry guys, if you want to fill color with any line, then click on this. You can change color. Look, I am changing color. Okay? You can change. So you can decrease and increase your size. And if you want to decrease the size, then go to second A. Click on that. Sorry, here. Click on that. It will small. First, you will need to select this. I have selected and click on small. Here you can also bigger if you want. I want to select 72. Look, my text has been bigger, so bigger. Okay. And if you want to print this page, then press Ctrl plus P. Okay. And here is print page has been come. And here is that page I have highlighted. And now if you want to print this, then click on print. Also you can select any printer. I have many printer, fax, HP Universal Printing, PCS6, Microsoft Print to PDF, Microsoft XPS, Document Writer, OneNote Desktop, OneNote for Windows 10. And also you can print to file. So you can do. Now I'm going to print this. And this video is up to this. Thanks for watching. And if you like the video, then like, subscribe, share and commenting. Thanks for watching and take care guys.